You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this acronym, the name of this federal agency. Full name is United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement. If you want to learn more names from US politics, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. It is better known as the short or acronym simply ICE, US ICE, or just simply ICE, yes, just like an ice block, ICE. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.